and welcome to another episode of Sports Talkies with me, Clinton D'Souza. And today we'll be speaking to some of the key players of FC Goa. FC Goa has seen ups and downs during their start of this season, but today we will speak to some of their key players to see what they have to say on the upcoming matches and the season so far. Well, yes, I have with me Glenn Martins here. Glenn, first of all, welcome to Herald TV. And going ahead, Glenn, we have seen that in the over the FC Goa has played almost 5 matches in which you have seen what was expected from FC Goa was not seen. So, what do you have to comment on that first of all?
I think the first 3 matches were very bad for us because we lost all the 3 matches. But then after that we did a comeback. We won 2 back-to-back matches. So, and I think there's a lot of work we need to do, and we are working on it.
Glenn, in this 5 matches, you have played almost 402 minutes. So, what you have to say on your performance out there? And also, you have one yellow card in your name. So, what do you have to say on your performance?
Yeah, I think I'm not quite happy with my performance, like because in the first 3 matches also we lost all the 3 matches, and we are conceding too many goals. So I think for my personal is also I'm not happy with my performance because as a midfielder, I think I should be more active on the pitch, like giving some assist and things like that. So I'm not quite happy with my performance.
You said you're not happy with your performance. Your next match is all set to kick off in next few days out there. So how excited is it for you for the next match?
I think from the last 2 matches which we won have boosted the confidence in the team, and now everyone is more happier because we got 2 back-to-back wins. I think we will all go with a positive mindset now, and we are just waiting for the match.
You said you're waiting for the match. So let me know how is the scene when it comes to Bio Bubble Zone? It's back-to-back 2 seasons now in Bio Bubble. So how is it going on in the Bio Bubble? Do you think Bio Bubble are necessary when it in such crucial times? And also, how has Bio Bubble changed your life when it comes to football and ISL especially?
I think at least we are happy to play this league because they are in the bio bubble or anything, but we are happy doing what we love to do the most. And I think in this bio bubble, we are missing the fans a lot in the stadiums. I think that's the biggest this like missing the fans. If they were there in the stadiums, the things would have been, I think, really different, and it's a really different feeling to play among them. So I think that's the only thing missing.
But was there, when it comes to Bio, there's always seen the unity, always with the players, you're in that football mode only. So how that has improved your game out there also?
I think as a team, we get to know each other a lot more because we spend most of the time together. Like now, this is we are a family. So we always gel with each other better in the bio bubble because after training also we are together, before training, for meals and everything we are together. So it helps us to understand each other better, and then we talk about the game also. So this thing helps us.
What is that mood out there? What is your take missing the 12th man out at every match out there?
I think it's not only for me, but the entire, I think almost for the full teams, missing the 12th man. I think that's the boost every team needs right now because to play when they are there, it's really a totally different feeling because when I was there in the national team also, we played with the fans. So it's really a different feeling to play with the fans.
Moving ahead, what are the scenes that you would like to change in your game when it comes to performance and also when it comes to winning out and coming back on a winning wave out there for FC Goa?
Sorry, Clinton, I didn't get you.
My question to you is that what are the things that you will keep in mind to make sure that you guys, especially your performance, will benefit FC Goa for a win?
I think if we do well together as a team, it will be really good because, and as an individual also, I need to perform. I need to give more than 100%. So, and I think when the team performs better and when the team is together, it will help us to get good results. So it depends, like full team, we have to play as a unit.
How is it getting trained under Juan Fernando out there?
Yeah, we have been working really hard from the day one. It's not just that like once we started losing, we started unknown. It's not that the coach have been giving like everything for us on the pitch, showing us the videos. That was from the day one, not just from the day we started losing. No, no. But then it was always from the day one. He's been helping all the players who are like the junior ones, everyone. So I'm getting to learn a lot from the coach.
Glenn, you have also played with other teams like ATK, also on the sides of ATK a few years back, and now back to FC Goa. So, what is the difference you see today in yourself? Because you became a superstar, I can say, in football when you came back to FC Goa. A game you changed your career. I think changed almost 100% in last year. So, what you have to say coming back to FC Goa and playing at one of your home club out there?
I think I was missing the confidence in ATK, but then since I've come here, I felt like home. I was very happy, and I think the confidence which I got here, I think it changed everything for me. From everyone around here, all the players, the coaching staff, and everyone, I think that that thing changed my career. The confidence which they gave me.
Okay, this is a question that has come from one of the fan out there where they want to ask you with regards to if you are not a footballer, what would Glenn Martins be and what is your message for the fans out there?
I I really don't know, like because I never taught myself anything besides football. But then I think I would be into some business. Maybe because I always want to have my own business, something like that. Because besides that, I have never, besides football, I have never taught myself like life without football. It's just football always.
Okay. Can you describe yourself in a sentence or a small para also? Who is Glenn Martins besides football?
A very shy guy. At least now I speak, but before then I was a very shy guy.
All right. I think we can understand that. I think that's all I have with you, Glenn. Thank you so much, Glenn, for your time. Wish you all very best and success in future. And may we get to see some more scorings when it comes from Glenn and also some sides of performance of 100% for FC Goa from Glenn. Thank you so much, Glenn. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Linda.
Hi, I have with me Devendra. Devendra, first of all, welcome to Herald TV. Devendra, tell me one thing. You have played almost 5 matches, 285 minutes with one goal on your name. How does it feel scoring for FC Goa this season?
I feel really good because this is my first goal of the season and I will continue the same.
Okay. Devin, you are one of the youngest player in the squad out there. So do you think there's a lot of pressure when it comes to on your side, because you have to play in your position is a forward, and being a young player, do you think there's a lot of pressure on you on every match out there when you play?
Yeah, a little bit, but uh, our senior player is always told me to be confident when you get the ball, and always supporting me, Indian and also foreigner players.
So how you said you always get the supportive backup from your teammates. So how is the relationship with the foreigners as well as the other senior players with you?
All of us are good with me, and they are always telling me to do this, do that, always supporting me on the practice field and on the match field.
Devin, you have also been a part of the Goa Professional League also with one of the A-League teams out there, A teams also. So how is it playing in Goa Professional League and now coming and playing to the ISL?
Professional league is good to be play for youngsters. Then from there come here is very difficult to play here directly. That a little difficult for me first.
So what is the excitement filled in you in every match out there? Because we have seen you have already scored for FC Goa. Now your next match is almost around the corner out there. So what is the excitement filled in you when it comes to the next match?
We are all excited for the next upcoming games. We are thinking on one game at a time. We are thinking that.
Devin, where if you are given a chance, what are the things that you would like to mention that you like from FC Goa this season?
We have to all of us know that we want to win title, ISL title.
You said you want to win the ISL title, but you have seen we have seen in the last 5 matches, FC Goa has seen almost not that kind of performance that was expected from most of the fans of FC Goa. So, what you would like to comment on FC Goa's performance so far, and what are the things that you would like to bring a change in FC Goa's performance in future?
First 3 matches we lost, but we played really well, but we didn't create chances for that. And now we continue. Now we won 2 games, and we are continue same thing to score the goals, and I will try to score the goals.
Okay, you said you're going to try to score the goals out there. Devin, my question to you will be that how is it being in a bubble zone? I also asked this question to Glenn Martins. Now I'm asking this to you. How is it being in a bubble zone?
It is very difficult. Last season and this season also a difficult moment. We can't go out and always same faces to see same faces. We can't meet our family and all that. Very difficult.
But do you think this bubble zone has also improved your game also, because you have been more into the zone of football out there 24/7? So what you said, you miss everyone out there, your family, your friends also. But how important for you was it when it comes to football?
Football is very good because everyone meeting same thing and same question. All they talking about what we did, what we want to do, and all that. This is good.
Okay, now let's go out of football. Now you are in bubble zone. You said you're missing everyone out there at home. So what is the main thing that you're missing from home?
Can you repeat the question? Your voice just got stuck.
Okay, my question to you is, Devin, is that you said you're missing a lot of things when it comes from the bio bubble zone. So what can you mention about 2 or 3 things that you are missing and why?
That I like to roam very well with the family, to spend time with the family, and I like to roam everywhere for lunch, dinner. I like, and with the friends.
My last question to you is that something that you will be that besides football, who's that one friend of yours or a group of yours in FC Goa now that you like to spend most of your time? I know you're good with everyone, the whole team.
Everyone, not a single person, everyone.
So you are kind of a person who's good to everyone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my last question will be that what is your message for the fans out there who are supporting FC Goa and Devendra every match out there?
We need your support and keep supporting us. Just believe in us, and we will keep fighting for you all.
All right, thank you so much, David. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome to Sports Talkies with me, Clinton D'Souza, and I have with me Princeton Rebello. So Princeton, first of all, welcome to Herald TV. I want to know how is it being, I've asked this question to Devendra also and Glenn as well, and I'm asking you, how is it being so far in the bubble zone out there?
As you know, from last 2 years, this is the second year we are in the bubble, and it's really frustrating because we can't see any fans in the stadium. And in spite of being a Goan and staying in Goa and being in a bubble, it's very, I don't know what to say, because it's very frustrating really, but at least now we are getting time to spend a bit with our teammates. So it's a bit okay, or else it's just irritating.
Christian, something that has changed your life when it comes to bubble zone, some points that has changed your life in the bubble zone?
Missing Goan food. And the most important thing is you're getting peace for yourself, and you get time to spend alone and watch some South Indian movies.
Have you turned, I know that you love a lot of movies out there, but have you turned yourself to a South Indian movie fan now?
Yeah, basically I like those movies because it's much of excitement and enjoyment, and the action what they show is really good. So I'm very fond of those.
Okay. Something that you're missing out there when it comes to bubble zone, you're missing from home or somewhere outside the zone out there?
Yeah, especially my family. I'm not getting time to spend with them, most important, and my friends. And as you know, how Goans are, we just want to go out, enjoy our life. So we are missing that.
Okay. So when it comes to, we'll continue on the bubble zone topic itself. When it comes to the bubble zone, how bubble zone has changed your life, which I've already asked you earlier, but how it has mold you in that field of football, in that form of football, how it has made you much more bigger when it comes to your performance in bubble zone?
Bubble, it keeps our team united as one in the bubble, and it's more of a focus. You get more time to spend with your teammates, and to spend alone and to be focused. I feel it has helped, and it has not helped also in your this, but I feel it's I don't know.
Okay. Moving ahead, we have seen how would you rate FC Goa's performance this season, and what are the changes that you would like to see in the team performance out there?
The motto of the club and the team is just to win, go for 3 points. And what I felt is we didn't start well, and now we are coping up and coming up. But the most important thing is being as a team, we want to win. That's it.
Princeton, you are one of the young players. I have asked this question to Devendra also. You're one of the young player out there in the squad. So what kind of pressure do you find it being a much more having more pressure on your shoulders, or is everything okay out there?
To be honest, I'm with the club since last 5 years and 4 years with the main team. So for me, it's time to step up and be as a professional player and a senior player. And for me, like there is a lot of pressure, like not as well like coach and all. They are not putting pressure on me. But the most important thing, I have put pressure on my own self because I want to be at the top soon. So I want to keep improving and performing. And I feel I have to do it.
Okay, moving ahead, you said that you want to improve some points that you would like to see changes in your performance out there.
To be honest, I've seen myself growing and improving day by day with the senior players. They have been helping me a lot. And in these 4 years, I've seen myself improve a lot. And for me, there's no day for improvement. So I just want to keep on working and improving day by day in whatever aspects I'm lacking of. So that's what the main thing is now.
Okay. Coming back, when it comes to the training out there, you have been with Juan last year also, this year also. So, how is the training under your coach?
To be honest, I'll be honest, really honest. To be honest, he's a great person and a great coach because for me, I've seen myself improving under him. He has been working a lot with us. He has been working hard for the team and for the players individually. He wants us to improve and for us, he wants the best for us. That's it. And for me, being a player who has developed under him, I feel I have improved a lot under him.
Would you what will you have to say when it comes to your kind of style that has changed over the past several years now, and how you are playing today? How would you rate yourself on that, your performance?
For me, CA Clinton, as I've said, like I want to be the best. I want to be on the top one. So for me, like everyone knows, FC Goa's playing style is unique, and like for us, it is a great opportunity for young players to work on their style because everyone wants to be on the ball. Everyone wants to play on the ball. So for me, like being a ball player, I like to dominate the game more and often see me on the ball. So that's the main thing. I want to get more on the ball. And for me, like I've seen myself improving last 4 years, and that's it.
Okay, moving ahead. What do you have to say when it comes to missing the 12th man out there?
Like as you know, it's always difficult. They've been always behind us in the stadium, backing us. Last 3 seasons, I've seen them, but the thing is, from last 2 years, like the stadiums are empty, and for us, it is a very frustrating thing because being a Goan club and the ISL is being held in Goa, you don't have the fans around you. It's a bit embarrassment, but the thing is, they are always behind us, and I want them to keep supporting us and keep believing in us, whatever it is, because we are giving our best, and that's it.
All right. Thank you so much, Princess, for your time also. Wish you all the very best in future. Yeah, and that's all we have in today's edition. Keep watching Herald TV.